Today my class is on gravitation. This is very important part of class 11 portion, and this is very important for 2024 examination. Please like, share and subscribe. Watch entire videos and comment in the comment section. Now come to the topic, that is variation of acceleration due to altitude. So we have to calculate this equation. So this is a earth of radius r and mass m, and m small m is the mass of the particle is at height h. So total distance is r plus h. We have to calculate, that is, the acceleration due to gravity decreases with height. So acceleration due to gravity at Earth's surface here, that is g, and we can write that is g equal to gm by r square. G, that is gravitational constant, m is the mass of the earth. So in this point, that is where the m is situated, that is acceleration due to gravity at height h is g dash. So we can write g dash equal to gm by r plus h the whole square. This is equation number 2. So dividing that is 2 by 1, we get in the format, in this format. So we can write that is g dash by g equal to r square by r plus h whole square. So we can write in this format. So dividing, that is r, we can write that is 1 plus h by r whole square. That is 1 by, in the format, 1 by 1 plus h by r whole square. G dash by g 1 plus h by r to the power minus 2. Expanding with the help of binomial theorem, we can write that is g dash equal to g1 minus 2h by r. So here we can conclude that with increasing height, acceleration due to gravity decreases. So with increasing of height or with increasing of altitude, that is gravitational acceleration, that is decreases. Next we come to the, that is, find the relation between g and g. This is the gravitational constant and this is acceleration due to gravity. Let us consider the mass of earth, that is m, radius, that is r. So average density of earth, that is rho, acceleration due to gravity at the earth's surface, that is g. We can write g equal to gm by r square. We know that is m equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Putting this value in this equation, we get that is g dash equal to g into 4 by 3 into pi r rho. So we get that is rho equal to 3g by 4 pi rg. This is the relation between, that is, small g and capital G. We have to calculate the magnitude. So we know that is rho equal to 3g by 4 pi rg. Putting the value of small g, that is 980, that is r 64 into 10 to the power 7, that is centimeter, and 6 point, that is capital G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, that is CGS system. So we get that is rho, that is 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. Next question, that is, prove that the weight of particle at the center of earth is 0. Let a particle, here a particle, that is it at x from the surface, and total, that is, this is r. We draw a sphere, that is r minus x. So with the help of these two sphere, we have to calculate that is g dashed by g. We have to calculate that is g dashed by g. So come to the topic, that is we know, let a particle of mass m at p from the surface of earth having radius r and m. So that is m equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. That is rho equal to average density of earth. So acceleration due to gravity at the earth's surface, we know that is g equal to gm by r square. Putting the value of n in the equation, we get that is g equal to capital G into 4 by 3 pi r rho. This is equation number 1. The distance of point P, from the earth's surface, here this is x. We consider a sphere of, that is, this is the sphere of radius, that is r minus x. So we can write that is g dash equal to 4 into pi, that is g into 4 by 3 pi r minus x cube into rho, that is r minus x whole square. So with the help of that is g dash equal to g into 4 by 3 pi r minus x into rho. This is equation number 2. Dividing equation 2 by 1, we get that is g dash by g in this format. So g dash by g 1 minus, so you can write g dash by g 1 minus x by r. So that is hence with increasing depth, with increasing depth, the acceleration due to gravity decreases. So this is the symbol, s increases, that is g dash decreases. At the center means that is x equal to r. Here, if this condition is put in this equation, so r by r that is 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0, that is g dash equal to 0. So multiply m on the both side, we get that is m g dash equal to 0. So m g dash is weight, that is w dash equal to 0. So weight is 0. So hence the weight of the particle at the center of the earth, that is 0. This is proved. This is very important section. I think this class is highly helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all my dear students. Thank you all my dear friends.